If y'all want to know what I use on my wiring harnesses, this is what I use, okay? It's a Coroplast brand tape. It is a fire retardant fabric, okay? This is great stuff. It really looks good, okay, when you wrap it. When you wrap this on a harness, it looks phenomenal. So that's what I use. I also use friction tape. Friction tape is, it kind of smells like pine saw. It kind of has like a pine smell to it, but it's made for areas of the harness that are going to be areas that are in a tight spot, rubbing up against a frame, body, bracket, something. It is what it's called. It's friction tape. So I'll be oh, this is the friction tape. That's what it looks like. So, and I added that. I added that to the Terminator harness. So, Terminator harness doesn't come with it. There's a lot of things that I did do to the Terminator harness. I didn't do a video on, but that is baby steps. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. And if all else goes well, I think maybe 2 months I'll be ready to start, and that's probably giving it another month if everything goes smooth. And I don't foresee anything going wrong, but you know how that goes. So, all right, guys, that's it.